Hello everyone, I am Triveni Gaidhane. I am second year BTech student from MIT Academy of Engineering Pune. So guys, here I am to present my DSA project and topic for my project is digital telephone. So चलो हम देखते हैं थोड़ा डिटेल. So before starting anything, first of all we should understand what is telephone. So, telephone is a system for transmitting the voice over the distance using wire or radio. By converting vibration to the electrical signal is called as telephone. So, telephone converts sound, typically and most efficiently the human voice, into the electronic signal, and that are transmitted via the cables and other communication channel to the another telephone, which reproduces the sound to the receiving user. Now other questions in front of us, key which component used in telephone set. So first is microphone, receiver, switch connection, ringing circuitry, dial network, LCD, flip-flop circuit in dialer, OPMP circuit and transmitter. Guys, this is not enough for telephone set, huh? There are other components also required for telephone set, but these are main component which we should know about it. Before starting detailing about telephone set, I would like to tell you step of making the model of telephone set. First of all, I made outer body of telephone with the help of thermocol. I buy that thermocol for decoration of Ganpati Bappa, and remaining thermocol I have used for this. To make the outer body, I take two pieces of thermocol of size 15 by 18 centimeter and other two pieces of 3 by 18 centimeter. To make the button, cut thermocol into 0.5 into 0.5 centimeter. Arrange all things in booklet manner, and the circuit of telephone is very complicated, so I directly give the name of circuit to it. Guys, now we move to the block diagram. In block diagram there are various instruments. So before that, the instrument which contains the microphone and receiver is called the handset. Handset is placed on the cradle when the telephone is not in use. In this position, it opens the switches and disconnects the handset from the telephone system. An electromagnet called the ringer is disconnected to the telephone lines on the exchange side, so that ring can be received from exchange when it is called. The exchange determines that whether the telephone is idle or busy or initiating call by monitorized on the DC current. A simplified circuit or block diagram of telephone set is as shown in above figure. Now in block diagram we can see the telephone receiver. So what is receiver? The sound reproduced in telephony is known as receiver. The receiver does reserve the function of transmitter. It is a device which converts electrical energy into the sound energy. The constructional details of telephone receiver I will explain. It consists of diaphragm, permanent magnet and winding. When incoming signal current passes through the winding, magnetic flux is produced. The magnetic flux follows the magnetic path, which consists of iron. The permanent magnet is used to polarize the receiver. The pull on diaphragm depends on the magnetic flux density in the air gaps between the diaphragm and the pole pieces. Thus, maximum change will produce when the current change in coil. Now, when we speak in front of telephone transmitter, we hear our own voice in the receiver as a feedback. With the help of feedback, we are able to adjust the volume of our voice according to different situation. When the level of feedback is high, we lower the voice, and when it is low, we speak louder. This is feedback voice is side tone. So side tone may be defined as the reproduction of the sound in the receiver peak up from the associated transmitter. Now, what is the use of flip-flop circuit in this telephone? Guys, we know that in digital telephone there is one option for saving the numbers in that telephone. So flip-flop is used in there for save the number, or when we dial that number, in that case also flip-flop circuit is used. At last, I would like to tell you that day by day, the simple telephone is converted into analog telephone, and analog telephone is converted into digital telephone. So only one thing I would like to add here कि हमें और कुछ चेंजेस चाहिए कि एक टेलीफोन में हम 2 नंबर यूज कर सकें. सो अगर ऐसा कुछ चेंज होता है ना तो वो अच्छा हो सकता है. So guys, thank you for your patience listening. Thank you very much.